奖给更多人听，让环保成为了新，让绿色成为时尚。在生活中，也让我们从小事做起，少一点浪费，多一点绿色出行，支持可持续的实践，让环保成为生活的态度。每一次的发生，每一个选择都是改变的力量。一对气候变化让我们每一个人喜欢，希望更多青年人能担起责任，携手维系一个可持续的未来。谢谢大家。Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'm actor Ding Xi. This is my first time at United Nations Climate Change Conference, and I'm here to learn. Over the past few days, through visits and exchanges, I've been deeply inspired by the severity of the climate crisis and urgency of climate action. I've come to realize that climate change is not a distant story. It is a reality unfolding at its very end. As an actor, I believe that influence comes not only from screen but also from action. I hope to use culture and creativity to bring climate issues to a wide audience, to make environmental protection a trend and bring living action. In our daily lives, that starts from small steps. Cut down waste, choose greener ways to travel, and support sustainable practices so that environmental protection becomes part of how we live. Every voice we raise and every choice we make carries the power to drive change. Addressing climate change concerns every one of us. I hope more young people will step forward, take responsibility, and work together to safeguard the sustainable future. Thank all of you.